we've set up the petrol version of Capture the Flag. So what's faster on a rally stage, an FPV drone or a full fat Rally 1 World Rally car? I think you could be in trouble here. That thing is super manoeuvrable. Why don't we have a little drag race?
Got it.
All right, let's do it.
We know FPV drones are quick and nimble, but this will prove just how much of a challenge Josh is up against. Fellas, that was class. I think it's fair to say we've got to give that one to the drone. If we're going to put it in car terms, what's the 0 to 60 mile an hour time of the drone?
Close to 1 second.
Yeah, there's the answer there. Well, I think we're 3.5 seconds.
Let's talk top speeds. Well, because it looked like you were starting to reel the drone back in. So top speed?
185 on gravel maybe.
Okay.
On a good day, that is.
Martin?
Full top speed would be 180.
To make it easier for you to chase the car, you have to have a go in it. You're about to get your mind blown.
For real?
Jump in this, yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
You're all good, man.
Send it. Oh man, that's beautiful.
So we're going to reach quite
All right.
like 11.9. It's to be 180 right?
Okay. The braking powers don't make no sense.
So the drone won the drag race, but which will be quicker over an actual stage? The FPV drone or the WRC car? Over 2 laps, but it's not just about who's quicker. There's a twist to this one. Why? Well, we fitted a hoop to the top of the car. Martin is going to be chasing Josh through the stage. He's going to have to swoop down, hook the front of the drone into the hoop, fly away with the flag, and if he does that, he is the winner. The car has to complete 2 laps of the circuit before the drone can steal the flag. Now, Martin's going to be elevated on the scissor lift to ensure he gets a good vantage of the entire stage, while I'm going to be in the car with Josh, giving him notes and trying to guide him to stop Martin being able to steal the hoop. Right, Josh?
Let's do it.
Oh, you cheeky dog! Haha, you're playing with him, lad! Oh, he's had to go high now. Now we're pulling away. This is where we've got to be tiny, because we know how quick that drone is. Literally above the car, he's right above the car, go. He's still chasing us, right around that, go, he's right on your tail. Top speed again, go for it. I can't see the drone. Go on, lad, go on. Into the woods. Go on. He's caught us, he's right on us, go. can see him. It's going to be so close. Go on, go on, go on, go on. Yeah, man. That was class. Lads, it was class. Well done, Martin. Josh, good job.
Thank you very
That's
much.
for you. Well done.